Tell me, what is the worst client behavior you are putting up with right now? Today, we're talking habits that you tolerate as a business owner from your clients. Are you ready to deep dive what we're tolerating and what we need to let go of? Then let's go. I've worked in the cleaning industry for almost 17 years. And from my personal experience and from the cleaning business owners that I work with, I know that we have all had 1
or 2, 3, 4, 75 million
difficult clients who will cancel their service at the last minute, pay their bill late every week or every month, leaves their house like a literal bomb has exploded all over it, or worse, makes you feel like you work for them. They are your boss. So let me tell you something as a seasoned OG of the cleaning industry and also with my business coaching hat on. The clients and their habits that you tolerate now will set the standard for the business you are going to build now and later down the road. So here is my question to you. If you were running the profitable and successful cleaning business that you say that you want, would you still be working for that difficult client that you have? And if the answer is no, my next question to you would be, why do you tolerate that now with that particular client? The business that you want to build tomorrow that's going to sustain you 1 year, 3 years, 10 years from now starts with the boundaries that you set and put in place for yourself and for your business today and moving forward. And this is something I work through with the members of my free community, Profitable and Productive Cleaning Business Owners on Facebook, and also with my one-to-one clients. See, the thing is, you can build a client base that you actually enjoy working with. You can raise the standards of your business without losing customers. You can set boundaries in your business for when you are available and when you're not. It's your game that you're inventing as the business owner, so you get to set the rules of how people engage with you and your business. And you absolutely can protect yourself, your team, your business, and your sanity.
How do we do this?
We start by setting boundaries of what is acceptable to us and what is not acceptable to us. So for example, for the client who continually pays their invoice late, what is the repercussion or the consequence of that within your business? Do they get a late fee? Do they have, 3 strikes and they're out? What is it that you've got in place to stop that behavior from happening? Have you ever heard that quote that you have to teach people how to treat you because what you allow will continue? So protect yourself with systems and processes. What is your credit control process when somebody pays late? What is the credit control process when somebody part pays the bill? What is the process when the client keeps asking you or your cleaner, can you just, without adding extra time or sacrificing another task to have that task completed? Do you have a terms of service of what is acceptable for the client to behave towards you and also how you will behave towards the client so that everybody knows what the rules are to the game? And if you are serious about getting tough with these clients who will take the absolute Michael, please book a free one-to-one consultation with me, link in the description, to see how I can help you get out of this pickle, set some boundaries, give you some coaching on the fact that it's okay to have boundaries, and then let's push forward with the type of clients that we want to service in the business run the way we want it to be run. So tell me in the comments, what behaviors are you tolerating inside of your business that you think, oh, I wish I could nip that in the bud? Tell me in the comments some of the things that your clients do that drive you crazy or border on disrespectful and you're not really sure how to solve that. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate you and you taking the time out to watch this video. I'm going to be back here next Wednesday with a brand new video. But until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.